Hello friends, I'm Anil, and in this video I'll explain how to partition in Windows OS, right? Currently it's my Windows 10, and why I'm creating this video because I see number of users think like we can partition while install OS, okay? But it's not true. We can partition after installation or any time. Like I have three installation, right? Three partition in Windows, D, E, and C. E actually I just currently partition, right? I'll explain how you can partition in Windows. So first I'll click in this PC or whatever name of your my computer, right? I'll go in manage, and in window I'll go in disk management, right? Because we are going for partition disk. So here there are partition we can see, okay, right? There are three partition. First is C is 7 GB, and one more is D, and this one, right? Okay, so I'll try one more partition from this C. Okay, so I'll just right click here and going for shrink volume. It will take time little bit. After completed this shrink process, it will here will be show one screen, and in that screen we need to give size, okay? But in disk management, size calculate in MB, not GB, okay? And in 1 GB there are 1024 MB, okay? So we will see here, okay? So according that, what GB, how many GB you want, you just calculate that, okay? So here we can see this is C for MB, right? Here you mention in MB also, yes, right? Okay, so we type here 1024, it's a MB, right? So in 1 GB 1024 GB. If you want 2 GB, then into 2 in 1024, then it will be 2048, okay? And we will shrink this. After completing this process, we will see here one more partition. Just wait for that. It's processing is going on. And guys, please subscribe this channel for learning languages like Dart, Flutter, and Kotlin, Android, and many more, okay? And this video I am creating because some my friends have that face that this problem, okay? So it's showing 2 GB, right? But it's unallocated. For allocation, we will right click here and new simple volume, then we will follow this process, and you can see here is hash type, and you can change this according, or you can give manually also, okay? We'll go ahead ahead, and this is available, you can see here, right? This is the H new volume. So it's completely, it's so easy partition, okay? Thank you guys, please subscribe this channel for updating new videos. And thank you. If you like this video, please like, and thank you very much. Your one like and one subscribe will help me to and encourage me to creating new videos. And thank you very much.